In real estate, it all starts with the search. Mastering this tool means finding the right properties faster and serving your clients better. A quick search is the fastest way to locate a property in realtracsONE. From the dashboard, just enter an address, city, county, school, street name, zip code, MLS number, or even multiple MLS numbers. Searching with specific criteria in realtracsONE is quick and easy too. Just click Additional Search Options. You can search using the criteria panel here, the map tools here, or any combination of both. You can even zoom the map and click Search this area. In this video, we'll focus on the criteria panel. The residential property class is pre-selected for you. Click the drop-down to add or change property classes. You can also choose specific subcategories here. Listing statuses like coming soon, active, and under contract showing are also pre-selected. You can remove or add statuses here. If you're including closed listings, make sure to choose a time frame, either with the radio buttons here or the calendar. Remember, where available, realtracsONE has closed listings dating as far back as 1996, so choosing a time frame is crucial on closed listings. Because realtracsONE covers such a wide area, you'll need to specify a location to run a search. You can do that here searching by states, counties, cities, zip codes, or use the map tools. These can also count as your location. This is a smart search, however, you are at the mercy of what the listing agent entered and even at your own spelling skills. So realtracsONE gives you a way to be certain that you find all listings even if there is bad spelling or poor verbiage from the listing. Let me explain. You're going to use the less is more logic, which simply means to shorten words that could be misspelled or just spelled differently. Use the % sign in place of what you're unsure of. It's like a wild card. So here's how all of this could look. Want to search multiple values? No problem. Just use a comma to separate them, like this. Want to exclude an area? Simple. Add a minus sign, like this. Scroll down to filter even more by price, beds, baths, square feet, and more, using the minimum and maximum fields. For additional filtering, click Add Criteria. It's also a smart search, so just start typing in a few letters. For example, if your client's must-have is a tankless water heater, just type in TAN. Any field that has those letters will show up. Select the appropriate choice and click Add Selected. When all your criteria is set up, click Search. Results will show up in the Map Grid Combo view. You can collapse or expand that little grid here. You can also switch to the List view or Full Grid view. And to see the full property report for any listing, just click on the MLS number and then you can navigate back and forth here as needed. Easy, right? realtracsONE. Simplify your workflow, amplify your results.